Alright, gang. As y'all can see, man, we under the hood of the 6-4. Right here, baby. We about to do a little mod for y'all. A little something slight. As y'all can see, man, it is completely open. The vent is out. We got some extra mods coming, so just don't mind that right there. What we're working at is right in here, gang. So let me go ahead, bust down this box that we got from Amazon. I'm gonna get right back with y'all.
Ryan Little.
Box broken down, but y'all see that they put another box inside the box. See if we can bust this open for y'all real quick. See how this opens. I don't know if y'all know what this is, man, but I just wanted this because after we installed this Hellcat head and it's vented, all that rain just dropped straight through. It just dropped straight through and it be getting super dirty up under here, dust, all that stuff. So what I went ahead and did, got this little cover right here. It ain't gonna do too much. Let me get this out of the pocket. But the idea of it, hold on. Okay, about to say, I know it's gonna fit. That's the idea of it, gang. I think it just snapped right in. We got 2 holes right there that line up with that. But other than that, I think it just snapped right in, man. I got some pins or whatever you call them, connector pieces. I can slide through them holes. Let's go ahead and get this installed, man. I'll get right back with y'all. Alright, gang, as y'all can see, man, it's all installed. 3 clips right here that kind of just set into place. It's a little pin over here. Like I said, there's 2 holes that you could probably put some push clips in or whatever. But simple install, man. Covered up that distributor cap, if that's what it's called. Don't bash me in the comments if that's the wrong thing. But you know what I'm saying? Easy install, making the engine bay look a little bit better, bringing things together. You feel me? Till next time, man. Like, comment, definitely subscribe to the channel, man. We're going up all 2022, man. Let's go. Yes, sir. Alright, gang. It actually did come with some push pins. I got one installed. I just gotta throw the other one in. But like I said, them holes right there for it. Go ahead and get them installed, man. Yes, sir.